Never. Oh, I never again, guys. I'll never play this game again. Oh.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you.
Hi guys, Liram's here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys, and if you're new into this channel, we welcome you, darling, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But if you're a returner, you guys know how much I appreciate you. Guys, I have been so sick. I've been so sick. I don't know if you guys can tell from my voice, but I've been sick for a past few days now. But today I'm actually feeling better. That's why I decided to take a camera and make a video for you guys. Because I've been missing you so much. So on today's video, guys, I am going to be trying out these hot flesh extra spice noodles. Guys, I'm scared and excited at the same time because my tolerance for spicy things is this little. Literally this little. I don't know what I'm trying to do here, but yeah, I'm doing it. I am definitely doing it. So I've been seeing people on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, you know, trying out these noodles. And ndibona ubana jonga ziyakhala. And today's is on the kalela nam. These noodles are chili chicken flavored. And they're saying that you can prepare them in 3 minutes. I don't know how long it took me to prepare them. I didn't set a timer or anything like that. But I prepared them with some boiled eggs. Let me show you guys.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah. I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you.
So I am going to time myself and see how quick I can finish this. Wish me luck, guys. I'm saying how quick I can finish this as if I'm going to be able to finish them. But I'm going to finish them for you guys. Anything for you. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys. So let the game begin. I'm gonna press start now and start eating. Yo! Wait, guys. I'm gonna stop my timer and go fetch some milk because hi Bo, yini manjele. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna pass this challenge. I actually thought I'm gonna finish this in less than maybe 2 minutes. But let's see. We are now on 40 seconds. I know if you guys can see that, but it's almost a minute. But I only had like 1 spoon. Gandhi, how do you guys do this? Okay, but again, I'm gonna continue from 40 seconds and start eating again. Guys, I'm like on 1 minute 29 seconds now, but siyankhalela. I'm almost done, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but we are like on 3 minutes now. I am mad, but let's keep pushing. Let me have some milk first. Guys, I'm not gonna give up though. I'm definitely not going to give up. Almost there. Almost. What am I trying to do? No, guys, I don't think I can do this anymore. My ears are burning. My lips are burning. My eyes are burning. And we are like on 5 minutes. Don't forget, this is just 1 packet, okay, guys? Literally 1 packet. Let me try them eggs. Eggs are so nice. This is the problem. I mean, guys, I even put in some cheese. I thought it was gonna be nice, Mara. You see me again eating this. Kill me. Kill me, because this alone is suicide. Trust me, this is suicide. I don't understand, guys. I've seen people about him. I added 5 sauces on 1 packet. How do you guys do it? Not shame. I'm never doing this again. This is my first and last time. I'm just gonna finish them for the sake of my video shape. Otherwise, Ziakana, guys. Ziakana. I hope because this is hot, it's gonna help me with my fever. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's one reason I'm gonna finish them. How far are we now? We are like on 6 minutes 50 seconds. Yo, Oh, milk. Oh, I'm not sure if this milk is hot too, spicy too, or what's happening. Son. I'm just not sure if it's making things worse or better. Yo. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Oh! Oh! Mm. What was I thinking? I'm done, guys. Yima. I'm done in like 8 minutes 40 seconds. Woo! That time, okay, guys, I was aiming for like 2 minutes. Literally 2 minutes. Oh, guys, I'm never again gonna try this. I actually thought it was gonna be easy, and I thought maybe next time I'm gonna add 2 sauces and let you guys know the difference and all that, but I am never gonna try this again. Don't try this at home, guys. I'm joking, guys. You guys can try them too. Let me show you. I got these at Spa, so you can try them too. Try them and come back and comment. Let me know if you were able to even like finish 1 packet or not. Otherwise, I'm gonna need to eat something, guys, to remove all this taste. Let me check if I don't have any sweets or anything like that. Okay, guys, lucky for me, I have these sweets, so I'm just gonna eat them and try to get rid of the I don't know what I was thinking, Carl. But all I know is that I am never going to try this again. Never, shame.
A few moments later.
Never again. Never. Yo, oh. Oh. Never. Never. Yo. I never again, guys. I never play this game again. Oh. Hi guys. Yo. I almost died, son. I almost died. Please, guys, if you are like me and you can't tolerate spicy things, don't try these noodles. Don't try this challenge. Hi, Bo. I almost killed myself. But I'm feeling better now, guys. And I'm never going to try that challenge again. Never. Yo. Hey, Bo. What's even worse, my boyfriend told me not to try it. But I was like, baby, I can do this. No. Guys, don't try it. Do it only if you know but you can handle like hot, spicy things. But if you know you can't, don't try it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for watching me suffering, son. Yo, and Bindi. Yo, I'm not even gonna say I hope you enjoyed because I don't think you guys enjoyed seeing me suffering that much. Anyway, please like this video, guys. Subscribe, comment, let me know what content you would love to see on this channel. Please, guys, not this kind of content. This one will kill me. This one. I respect hot noodles. I respect hot noodles.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I